Hi there, my name is Ryan Carter and I'm here from ATSPACE, and I'm here today to talk about a recent project of ours that we carried out down at Dartford where we conducted the commercial air test. I'm here today to talk about the processes from start to finish and any issues that we came across. Prior to the official test date, our engineer Keith came down to site and done a quick walk around with the client to identify exactly how many fans we'd need and how many engineers we'd need on site. Once the pre-test was completed by Keith, our client determined and decided on a date for testing, and our engineers arrived at 8 AM on site. From 9:30, our engineers do a quick walk around on site, identify any key areas where they can locate the fans and any obvious leakage points. Whilst doing this, our engineers noticed that 2 roof hatches are open, resulting in water escaping and leaking into the unit. On site, we needed a total of 5 engineers and a total of over 18 fans. As you can see, the warehouse itself was incredibly large. It had an envelope of over 100,000 metres squared. From 10 o'clock, our engineers drive onto their premises and begin to set up in their chosen location. Our client also begins to apply temporary sealant to the ventilation to avoid any uncontrolled leakage. From 1 o'clock, the building is put into a lockdown and a dummy test is run to ensure that all the equipment is running efficiently. From 1:30, the test is conducted and the engineers begin to collate their results. At 2 o'clock, the first full set of results are calculated, and unfortunately the building achieved 2.9 metres cubed of air leakage per hour at a rate of 50 pascals, which unfortunately would be a failure compared to the target of 2.5. After we lodge the result, our engineers then do a walk round with the client on site and identify any of the key leakage areas. We realise that as well as the 2 roof hatches that are open, there are a selection of windows and also some loading bay doors which are open, resulting in uncontrolled air leakage. Our engineers do a quick walk round after the first test is conducted and unfortunately identify that there are more leakage areas within the roof. They then need to seal these up prior to a second test as these were leaking water. From 4 o'clock, all of the issues are resolved and a second test is conducted. Our engineers had 2 separate fan setups. One was a 2-fan system and one was a 3-fan system. These were installed in all service access doors within the unit. At 4:30, our engineers obtained their second result and we comfortably passed with a 1.93 rating. Once we have lodged the results, our engineers begin to dismantle the fans from the access doors and pack up ready to go home. Thank you very much for watching, and please look out for any more of our videos coming up soon. And make sure, I've just repeated myself, haven't I? If you didn't have anything else, no. That was Here's days, let's start again. Down at Dartford, in which we conducted an, mate, right. At 8 o'clock, our engineers are, oh mate, I don't know why it's so hard to read it. Like, I'm literally reading it and I'm mucking up with that.